Good morning, everyone. Today, August 30, 2022, Tuesday. So, look at the market. It's seeing it look much better. Like a lot of stock try to gain a little bit, and especially in oil and energy department or consumers defense. So, like big company like Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, and Google, they still drop a lot. So anyway, Tesla, like especially Tesla, getting up like 290 this morning, which right now still drop back to 288, and expect drop back to 290s easily. So gold down and VIX down and SB 500s would get up a little bit, like 32 points, not that much. So crude oil drop a little bit. Usually oil drop and stocks down, but as Federal speak today, and like in my experience long time, and whenever Federal speak, and the stock always drop, but you never know. So when you see Nasdaq getting up like over 130 some point, Dow Jones getting up 200 point, and S&P 500 getting up 32 points. So oil and natural gas down, and all firms like gold, silver, corn, wheat, soybeans, sugar, and coffee, all of them drop. As main food dry drop a little bit, but anyway, it go up straight away. This is crude oil's map, and like last week saying let's go back under $90 for one barrel, but right now it's 94.75, and it hit to 95 easily. But anyway, it's going to come back $100 very soon. So good morning, our traders again. Omaha, Nebraska, 7 a.m. Central Time. Here we see U.S. dollars down to 108. That's pretty good for the economy number. So financials up 26. It's not but big difference. So indicate 137 takes higher, and gold go down a little bit. 45 take lowers the. So since the gold go down lower than 1,700, so gold price is going to be much better. And you know, like in Asian culture, people like to collect the gold, so this gold is a good source. So after 1,700 we can get some. So anyway, the first stock is the WAC, and we should buy them around 24. Yep. And the cap we see is already dropped less than $1 billion, and right now it's still $943 million. Highest one 175, and lowest one is 9.8. So they ran around 30 to 70 cents a day. That's normal. So compared with the last 3 months, let's drop a little bit huge. So be watch out for that. So the second stock is Ford Motor. So right now it's 15.78. So buy them down and be prepared. They go back to 14 again. So the specials car and new event, they pump up the price going to 16, 17, but anyway, it's always gone. And $62.62 billion is really good number. And 25.8 is the highest one, lowest one is 10.6. So daily rotation around 30 to 70 cents a day. That's pretty common, pretty normal. It's nothing special. And in order to take care 1,183,000 people, and that's employees, and the contractor add up on that top is have to be over 200,000 people. It's a wonderful company. So Lucid LCID, Lucid Group is right now is 15.9. Be prepared them to 15, even though get them to around 14. So anyway, that's pretty good number to buy. And remember, this one is stock investing, not like gambling. Have to take time and buy them till even though C1, C2, or C3, even though TD. Whenever you get money, just collect your money and run. That's fast as you can. So, and that's become yours. $27 billion, that's the cap, and highest one 56, lowest one 13. And now it's a good number to buy. So by the way, they move around 16, 17 is normal. Last couple weeks is over 20. But it's now it's ETFS area, SP1, QQQ, so really pretty low, and they're going to be hit to 400 very soon, and QQQ going to be hit to 300 soon. And today we should buy any of them cheap, whatever you want. So Ford Motor is September 30, and we buy a car to 15 and around $1. I think the dollars be the best. $1.18, a little high, but see when you call them on 29 cents on March next year, March 17, 2023. So this one we can see the highest move, like over 80% SNTG and over 50% GRPH. So over 30% is in CPL. So those pretty good stock. It's been make the market a little crazy yesterday. So anyways, and especially AZRE and 44% drop is like almost drop half of them day. Let's say if it was like $10 and it would drop like over $4.6, and now it's still 5.8. If you want, go ahead and get some of this one. So GTY more than less than 25% is anyway 20-25% they can gain up anytime, but when they lost like 50%, that's mean if someone bought this one and they losing a lot, and now this is good opportunity for you to get some, and that's become your profit. So we can tell this big like leader, and kind of cheap. It's not that crazy. In this chart we can tell and take a look very carefully, and especially AMC still make pretty good money. This one pre-market and US stock future trades higher in early pre-market trade or investor. So you can read this one by yourself, but I want to add up some more information in Federal meeting again. So whenever Pharaoh meeting or Pharaoh speaks, and there's always, I don't know, that's really different, but when they speak and the stock always drop. It's been people not agree with that or something else. Whatever, but the economy number kind of get a little bit higher, but inflation is still really pretty high too. So whatever's high and the oil kind of drop a little bit, they have the stock gain a little bit. But anyway, the Federal meeting going to give them the result to go down and keep going down size again. So be careful. You can buy put option and get into call option first and put option later. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow.